This is going to blow your mind. Malaysia is home to thousands of Igbos. Their journey here is one of ambition and resilience. Let's uncover their remarkable story. The Igbo people, originally from southeastern Nigeria, began arriving in Malaysia in the 1980s and 90s. Many came for university, chasing new opportunities and a fresh start. Over time, Malaysia's growing economy and strong educational system made it a hotspot for Igbo students and entrepreneurs. Today, the Igbo community in Malaysia thrives. They run businesses, organize cultural festivals, and keep traditions alive, from vibrant music to the famous New Yam Festival. Despite the challenges of living far from home, they've built support networks and stay connected with loved ones in Nigeria. The Igbo story in Malaysia is all about adaptability and unity, proving you can carry your roots wherever life takes you. So next time you hear Afrobeat music in Kuala Lumpur, remember there's an incredible Igbo history behind that beat.